guys. Uh Welcome to the vlog. Today is Sunday. I am about to head out soon. It's a little past noon. We are having a twin day. So Twinny and I are gonna meet up, head out to the grocery store, go to my nephew's basketball game, and then we're having a late brunch at this uh, it's kind of like a cafeteria-ish situation, but it's like multiple restaurants within the cafeteria. I can't think of what you would call that. It's called like Gallery 7, and it's maybe like a 15-minute drive from where I am now. So let's head out and hang out with the 20. And of course, well, Remy Cam, you want to say hi to the people? I don't know what it is, but it's the moment I sit down on this bed or I pick up this camera, here comes this cat. I just got all of her hair off of me and she's rubbing her body on me all over again. Yeah. That is so good. Mm. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week in Prague. Bye.